So we are discussing about areas and perimeters. Still now all the problems are related with perimeters. Now all the problems will be related with area. Okay, up to now we discussed. Yesterday only I solved one problem of area. Now the problems will be gone with area. Up to now what we did is perimeter. Shall we start now? The first problem of today. Find the area of rectangle with the given sides. So find the area of a rectangle with the given sides. Here the first problem is 50 centimeters and 20 centimeters. Second problem is 65 meters and 45 meters. Third one is 25 meters and 45 meters. Fourth one is 7 kilometers and 19 kilometers. Okay. So you can see here 4 problems we have to solve. 50 centimeters and 20 centimeters, 65 centimeters and 45 meters, 25 meters and 45 meters, 7 kilometers and 19 kilometers. So what is the question given there? Find the area of the rectangle. So rectangle will have length and breadth. Okay. Now the length of the triangle. Triangular, rectangular. The length of the rectangle is equal to how much? 50 centimeters. Okay. The breadth of the rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is equal to how much? 20 centimeters. What we have to find? Area. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to 50 into 20. That is equal to, that is multiply here. Okay. 0, 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 0, 0, 0, 1. So answer is 1000 centimeters. What is the answer? 50 20s are 1000 centimeters. This is your first answer. Now the second one, the length of the rectangle. How much is length of the rectangle? 65 meters. Next, the breadth of the rectangle. Is equal to 45 meters. Okay. Area of rectangle. Is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to 65 into 45. That is equal to, that is multiply. 65 into 45. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 2. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Into 4 5s are 20. 2. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. So 5, 2, 6 plus 3, 9, 2. 2925 meters. 2925. Here it is in centimeters. Here it is in meters. I already told you the rough work must be in right hand margin. I'll check the notes as sir. I must find even the rough work also, each and everything what I am writing on the board. Remember that and you do it. Now, Again, the length of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle is equal to 25 meters. Okay. Next, the breadth of the rectangle. Is equal to 45 meters. Okay. Then area of rectangle is equal to actually we know that the length will be more than the breadth, I think so. Is it correct or not? So better you write here 45, okay, and here 25. Okay. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is equal to 45 into 25, that is equal to, let us multiply 45 into 25. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, into 2 5s are 10, 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 9. Again 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 2 5s are 10, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 9. So 5, 2, 9 plus 2, 11. So answer is 1125 meters. What is answer? 1125 meters. Excuse me. Next, the length of the rectangle. Is equal to 19 kilometers. The breadth of the rectangle is equal to 7 kilometers. The length of the rectangle is equal to 19 kilometers. The breadth of the rectangle is equal to 7 kilometers. Now area of rectangle. L into B, that is equal to 19 into 7, that is equal to, here multiply 19 into 7. Okay, 9 7s are 63. Okay, then 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6 are 13. So it is 133 kilometers. Check here what are given. 4 lengths and breadths are given, and he is asking us to find its area. The first one is 1000 centimeters. The second one is 2925 meters. The third one is what is given 25. Yes, the third one is 25 meters and okay, and 45 meters I gave. Yes, you got the answer here. 1125. Actually, in the textbook it is 65 and third one is 25 and 16 is given. 25 and 16. I did here 45 and 25. So if you want, you can try that one. Okay. Then the last one is 7 kilometers and 19 kilometers. You got 133 square kilometers. Okay. Or sorry. Here square kilometers, here also square, here also square, here also square. Why? Because two values, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Then meter into meter, meter square. Here also meter into meter, meter square. Here kilometer into kilometer, kilometer square or square kilometers. That one I did not write. And the third question, if you want, you can write 25 centimeters and 16 centimeters is given in the textbook. If you want, you can do this, and also that one you try of your own. These 4 problems already I did it. The 5th one you try it. Got the point here? Shall we go for the next one? Now, today's second problem. Find the area of square with the given side. Given sides. First one 26 meters. Second one 17 kilometers. Third one 52 centimeters. Fourth one 8 centimeters. This is now according to the textbook only. Find the area of square with the given sides 26 meters, 17 kilometers, 52 centimeters and 8 centimeters. The answer for this one again divide into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then the first one is 26 meters. So side of the square is equal to how much? 26 meters. Area of square is equal to what is the formula? Side into side. That is equal to 26 into 26. That is equal to, let us multiply. 26 into 26. 6 6 are 36. 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Okay. Into 2 6 are 12. 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So you got here 6, 7, 6. So 676. What is given here? Meter. Meter into meter. Square meters or meter square. So the answer is 676 meter square. Then next one is 17 kilometers. Side of the square is equal to side of the square is equal to 17 kilometers. Now area of the square is equal to side into side. That is equal to 17 into 17. Do you know the 17 table? I told in holidays also, after the school reopens, I will ask each and every person the tables. If you did not tell, with punishment, imposition also will be there. Remember that. 7 7s are 49, 4, 7 1s are 7 plus 4, 11 into 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. So 9, 8, 2. What is the answer? 289 kilometer into kilometer. Kilometer square or square kilometers. What is the answer? 289 square kilometers. The next one is 52 centimeters. Now, side of the square. Side of the square is equal to 52 centimeters. Okay. Now, area of the square. Area of the square is equal to side into side. That is equal to 52 into 52. That is equal to, now let us multiply. 52 into 52. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 1 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, 26. So 4, 0, 7, 2. You got 2704 square centimeters. Did you understand? 52 into 52, 2704 square centimeters. We finished the meters, we finished the kilometers, we finished the centimeters. Now let's, next one more is also of centimeters only. Side of the square. Side of the square is equal to 8 centimeters. Area of the square is equal to side into side, that is equal to 8 into 8, that is equal to 8 8s are 64. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So these are the 4 problems given. Find the area of the square. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of square is equal to side into side. So these are the 4 problems what are given. Shall we go for the next one? Four plus 4, 8 problems are completed today. They are looking small, but if you remember the formula and if you know the tables only, then only the answer will be correct. So the problem looks very small when you know the formula and when you know the tables. If you don't know these two, the problem will be very difficult. Today we did 8 problems. They are looking simple. They are looking simple if you can solve it properly. Got the point here? Now let us go for the third one. See here, this is also a very simple one. The length of a rectangular field is 60 meters. Okay, and its breadth is half of its length. Find the area of the field. See the question once again. The length of the rectangular field is 60 meters and the breadth is half of its length. Find the area of the rectangle. Length is given, breadth is half of the length. Then we have to find the area. So, first point what? The length of the rectangular field. The length of a rectangular field is equal to how much? 60 meters. The breadth of the rectangular field. The breadth of the rectangular field is equal to half of the length we told. So what we have to do? Length is 60. Half of this one means divided by 2. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2. 2 30s are 60. Now what is the breadth? 30 meters. Now length is there with us. Breadth is there with us. What we have to find? The area of the rectangular field. Area of the rectangular field is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to 60 into 30. Okay, we have to find this one. That is equal to, now let us multiply 60 into 30. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18. So 0, 0, 8, 1. Okay. Now what is the answer? 1800 square meter or meter square is the area of the rectangular field. Length is given. Breadth is equal to half of the length. Area is equal to L into B. You got 1800 meters. Got the point? Shall we go for the next problem? Fourth problem. Now see here the question. A square sheet of paper. A square sheet of paper has a perimeter of 40 centimeter. What is the length of its side? Also find the area of the square sheet. Perimeter is only given. We don't know what is its side. Got the point? And we have to find the side and we have to find the area also. Now, what the first step is, let the side of the side of the paper is equal to x centimeters. Okay. Now, perimeter of square. How much it is given? 40 centimeters. Now, perimeter of sheet of paper. Perimeter of sheet of paper is equal to, what is perimeter formula? 4 into S. Okay. Now we don't know side. What is that side? We took it as a x. That is equal to 4 into x is equal to 4x. Okay. That implies 4x is equal to, what is the perimeter value? 40 centimeters. That implies, let us find x. X is equal to 40 by 4. Okay. Now, 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. That implies x is equal to 10 centimeters. Now, x means what? Side. Side is equal to how much? 10 centimeters. The side of the square is equal to 10 centimeters. What he asked us to find? The area of the square sheet. Area of a square of sheet of paper is equal to, what is our area formula? Side into side. What we got side? 10. So 10 into 10, that is equal to 100 square centimeters is the area of the square. 100 square centimeters is the area of the square. See here, a square sheet of paper has a perimeter of 40 centimeters. What is the length of its side? Also find the area of the square sheet. Side is not given, that's why we took it as x centimeters. Perimeter is given 40 centimeters. Now perimeter of square how much? 4 into side. So 4 into side, what we took? X. So 4x is equal to 40. That implies x is equal to 40 divided by 4. So side is equal to 10 centimeters we got. Next what he asked us to, first he asked us to find side. We find the side. Side is equal to 10 centimeters. area of the square sheet is equal to area side into side. So 10 into 10, 100 square centimeters. Got the point here? Remaining problems we shall discuss tomorrow. Thank you.